Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Sam Bonbon back with another video, and for today I thought I would help you guys conquer applying liquid liner because I know it's such a scary thing, but I promise you guys it's not as scary as everyone makes it seem. In my everyday makeup routine video, which I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out, I do give an alternative way of applying liquid liner. In the video I actually use tape on the sides of my face as a quick way of just doing it, like if you're late to work or late to something or just in a rush and all that. I feel like using the tape is definitely a quick way to get this look. But for this video, I will show you guys how to do it freehandedly. Personally, I do prefer doing that because although the tape is really nice and very effective, I only use that if I know I'm in a rush somewhere, but I do prefer doing it free-handed. So I'm going to give you guys advice on how to perfect your eyeliner, or even if you've never done eyeliner before, this video could pertain to you as well. So let's get into it. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner by Maybelline. And I will leave a link in the description below to this actual product. So if you guys were interested in getting it, you could get the same one. So when I do my eyeliner, I like to start by making this line first before like I start out here. I know there's like a lot of tutorials that like to start in the middle and saying connecting it like there would be easier, but I personally like starting from the inner corner of my eyes. I like just stamp like the inside of my eye, especially when I do the inner corner. And like that's like kind of how I start out with it. And if I feel like I want to go like more in the inner eye right here, I'll just stamp it over again. So that's why I keep saying, oh, stamping this, stamping that. I just feel like that just helps me. So I thought I would share that with you guys. So then when I do the wing part, now this is where it's important. So for me, I have hooded eyes, and I recently learned this because I've always struggled with eyeliner and it's very, very annoying. I used to always draw my eyeliner like too close to like this area, for example, and then it would smear a lot because it's like really moist in this like little pocket right here. Or if I would draw like too high up, like if I follow just like a regular like eyeliner tutorial, like because my eyes are like hooded, it would come out just like looking curved. And a way that I tried to get around that is when I do the stamping of my eyeliner, I'll look straight ahead first and I'll relax my face, and then I'll see where I want to put my liner so you could actually see it, so it doesn't get cut off like in these, you know, like extra skin that's under your eyebrows. Let me relax my face. So like I'll do like a motion like that. So that kind of helps me get like a little guideline of where I want it, and I just make sure that the line that I make it is not in the area of where the crease would be. Then when I have my stamping of where I want to follow the guideline, I just draw and I connect the line with the rest of it. So I'll show you guys right now. So I'll do like that, and yeah, it doesn't look that good, but you know, you just go over it. And I'll just cross like the pen into the middle of my eye, like right here, like what I just did, like where I crossed it. And I feel like after learning that, and I feel like that just made it so much easier to get that ideal like cat eye look that I always want to get. And then I'll just go back in and I'll just, you know, fill it in wherever I feel like doesn't look that good. And like it just connects all together, and then I feel like it just gets this, to me, I feel like that's just the easiest way. I am right-handed, so it is a lot easier for me to draw like on the right side of my face, like doing all of this, and like it's just a lot easier because I'm right-handed. But the thing is, I'm not left-handed, but I have been trying to do my eyeliner like with my left hand, but like as you can see, like I can hold this comfortably, but on this side, like I don't know, like this feels weird, like I don't know how to hold it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do for the left side of my face that I'm not as proficient in when it comes to like just drawing it free-handed. So the first thing that I will do is literally I would stretch my eye out. Like when I first started doing my eyeliner, that's what I would do. So I do the same thing on this side where I start in the inner corner and then I would connect the wing to the rest of the eye. So and as you can see, I'm really not like that good at doing it like on this side of my eye. I literally just fill it in like literally the same way like I did on that side, except I just stretch my eye out, and then I'll stamp my eye the same way. So I'll relax my face, I'll look straight forward. and I literally just stay at my face. And like that makes life so much easier for me. And then like I did on the right side, I will just connect the drawing I have to the rest of my face. Oh, it blinked. And I'll just go back and fix it. And then they just come out looking like this. So that's the basic, you know, few step process that I do when it comes to do my eyeliner. I'll do some like really cute eyeshadow on my eyes to dress it up, and then I'll put some mascara on and all that just to make the look all come together. But yeah, that's just my easy like little few steps that I have when it comes to doing eyeliner. I hope this video has helped you guys and allowed you guys to get more comfortable with applying your liquid eyeliner free-handed. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, if you did want to check out my everyday makeup routine, there will be a link in the description below. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, I'll see you guys for next week's video. Mwah.